This 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 39 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 7, leveling jacks, slide-out, oven, external shower, microwave, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, TV, air conditioning, awning, and 110 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is 12,950 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.